Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man, Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA of Dayton. We're out here in the Spring Ridge neighborhood in Beavercreek, Ohio. Customer got a brand new door, a sliding door, and all the windows in the house done. So we're gonna go on in and check it out. Follow me. I just wanna point out too, real fast before we go in, this used to be a solid door with no windows. Customer went with a 3/4 glass and with the cottage style SDL grids on it. All right, so on the inside it's also stained as well, and then the customer did the white trim all the way around to give it an accent. And then here's a couple of the windows that we did. Once again, this is the most popular window we sell. It's the Provia Endure Series triple pane. That way the customer's getting maximum energy efficiency. And these windows are also on Energy Star's most efficient windows list, so they do qualify for a tax rebate. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk back here and check out some other windows in the sliding glass door that we did. Did these windows as well. So let's take a look at the sliding glass door. It's just another typical Endure Series Provia sliding glass door, but the customer did upgrade the handle and they went with black hardware versus the typical white that would come with the door. It's a pretty nice lock, pretty easy to open and shut. And man, is that thing smooth. We gotta keep the dog outside. And then over here on the windows, they used to be colonial grid patterns. If you can catch across the yards there, you can see the colonial pattern has much more grid lines in it. And these windows were the same, where it was 6/6. And what they did is they changed it to the cottage style. That way they had less grid, but still had the grids in the windows for the aesthetics. So, cause they like that look. And then we're gonna go outside, because on this property they had a brick opening and they also had vinyl siding. So I want to show everybody what the vinyl siding trim and what the brick trim looks like. So let's go on back out the front door, since the dog's out back and I think it's going to attack me when I go out there. Not that it's vicious, it's just got wet feet. Really friendly dog. I just don't want to get wrapped up with muddy paws all over me. So it's probably been about 7 weeks since these windows were installed, but on the brick you can see the capping that the guys do on the brick to tighten everything up so they can put a nice seal on here, keep all the water and air from coming out. And then once again, full flex screens when you get the triple pane window from Window Depot USA. This flex screen comes standard. There is a window here. It's up on the second floor, but I think we can still see the capping that they do. The previous window had J channel attached to it. So what the guys do is they replace the J channel with new once the window's inset, and then take care of any other trim like that. So thanks to everybody for joining me for another episode of The Customer's House out here in Beavercreek, Ohio. Peace out, everybody.